believe that I'm gonna have to find a whole nother creek. Maybe even a river if I have to. What are you guys doing? Well, you know, you're in our territory now, and you're not allowed to be. Well, sorry, stupid, pathetic leopards. You guys are stupid. You're not part of the dog family. You're part of the dumb cat family. Well, I'm going. Guys, let's get her. I think I lost them. They won't be able to see me blended in. Where did they go? Where? Oh, it's no use. Let's leave. I'm leaving. Oh, this beautiful, beautiful creek. Oh, I need to bathe in this. Oh, is this what those leopards were hiding? Oh, I can't believe this. I'm so happy. 5 hours later. Oh, I'm so tired. I don't want to leave. Hey guys, I think we need to evacuate because there's no more water in our creek. I heard that Coyote found a stupid creek. Then let's go. Yeah. Come on. I'm thirsty. Hey guys, we need to leave. We need to go find that creek. Because the creek here is dried out. True. We need to go back to our old home. Water! Give us the water! Guys, we can't all fit in here. Yeah, we can't. Why are we trying to all fit? I don't know. I need water! I'm thirsty. Everybody get out. Hey, you're gonna take all of it. You're the one who was laying in here for hours. Yeah, it's the Wolves Creek now. No, it's for all of us. Listen, I need you to get out of here. I see you again. Listen, I love you, but I don't think it could ever work. Do what you love. Yeah, follow your heart. Who cares if it's a coyote? Fine. Then we will leave. This is our creek.
Yes. I'll attack anybody who comes and tries to take it.
Give us the creek. Hey, get out of here!
Get out.
Ow.
Wait.
I need water to survive. Oh, that feels good. Hey, get out of here. Eventually, they all learned to share the creek. Hey, I just gave birth to these. Really, honey? That's awesome. Yeah. Well, I'm so glad we shared the creek. There's like stuff in it. Oh, it feels good. Nice. Yeah. It's all happy now that we're sharing. Yeah. Why didn't we just do this in the beginning like we always did with the other creek? Well, because the other creek had more. Oh, delicious water. So awesome. Yeah. Can I get in? And me.
I'm a grasshopper.
Well, come in.
Fine.
Ah, you'll feel good. Hey, wait! Who are you? Oh, I ran from my family. Sorry for running, Mom. Sorry for running, Dad. Just so bored. It's okay, honey. Right?
Yes.
We love you. I love you too, Mom.
Dad has the same account, so I might be able to use his.
Okay. You know what? If I think about it, I want to be on my own. Like, I want to have that whole creek to myself. By the way, sorry for accidentally unpausing it when we didn't mean to. Yeah, I'm sorry. But yeah, I want to be on my own. I want to be on my own. I'm gonna steal the whole creek from all of them. Hey guys, I don't know why, but I have a feeling that there's something evil going on here. Why? Yeah. Why would you think that? Oh, hi Mommy. Hi Daddy. Hi. It's so peaceful in the creek. It's so peaceful. You can literally lay with us if you want. So peaceful. Now you can have a shot of me. It's really cool. Really good. Okay. Well, yeah. Hey guys, this is a really random question, but where did our sister go? I don't know. Maybe she left. Yeah, maybe she just went to find some food. Oh. What are we even doing? We're just laying in the creek, wasting all the water. It needs to be clean. I'm gonna get out. Well, I guess you can get out, but why are you getting out? Yeah, why are you getting out? Well, I don't want to get the water all dirty. Oh, wait, never mind. It feels so good. I know, it feels good. Stay in the creek. Fine, I'll stay. It's a very small one, though. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna, relax. Hey, can I jump in, please? I'm really tired. Good night. Yay. This is awesome.
Then see you in part 4.
It'll be good.